Welcome back, everyone. This is video 2 in our series, Programmatic Optimization, from Basics to Advanced. In the first video, we understood what optimization is and why it is so critical in programmatic advertising. Today, we're going to discuss something even more important: campaign goals, KPIs, and the foundation of optimization. Optimization cannot fix unclear thinking. Before we talk about bids, audiences, creatives, or algorithms, we must first answer 3 fundamental questions. What is my campaign goal? How do I measure success? What should I actually optimize towards?
Most optimization mistakes happen, not because of tools or platforms, but because these questions are not clearly answered.
The big problem: why campaigns fail early. Let's start with a hard truth. Based on real observations from programmatic accounts, many campaigns do not fail during optimization. They fail on day 1, which means they fail before optimization even starts. Why does this happen? Because goals are unclear, KPIs are wrongly selected. There is no clear definition of success. Everyone looks at dashboards, but no one can clearly answer, what does success actually mean for this campaign? You can't optimize what you can't define. Whenever I review any live programmatic campaign, I always ask this question first: what should be improved for this campaign to succeed? If the answer is unclear, optimization becomes random. For example, a client says, I want performance. My next question is always, performance of what? Views? Clicks? Leads? Sales? You need to understand each answer leads to a completely different optimization strategy. Optimization needs a destination. First destination, then navigation. Think of optimization like Google Maps navigation. If I ask you to start driving but I don't tell you where to go, how fast to reach, or which route to take, you may keep driving, you will spend fuel, but you may never reach the right place. In programmatic advertising, campaign goals define the destination. KPIs act like road signs. Optimization is the driving process. Without a destination, even the best algorithm will fail. Without goals, the algorithm doesn't know what to prioritize, what to ignore, what success looks like. What is a campaign goal and why it matters? Goals define what success means. Optimization only works when the system knows what success looks like. Without clear goals, algorithms guess, budgets get wasted, performance becomes inconsistent. A campaign goal answers one key question: why am I running this campaign? For example, do I want people to see my ad? Do I want them to click? Do I want them to convert or purchase? Every optimization decision depends on this answer. The 3 core programmatic goals. At a high level, most programmatic campaigns fall into 3 categories: awareness, consideration, conversion. Each goal requires different KPIs, different optimization logic, different expectations. Using the wrong strategy for the wrong goal is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. Awareness goals. Awareness campaigns focus on visibility. Here, success is measured by how many people saw the ad, how often the ad appeared, whether the ad was actually viewable. The goal is to reach the right audience, deliver the brand message, maximize exposure. Typical KPIs: reach, impressions, viewability. Optimizing awareness campaigns for clicks or conversions is usually a mistake. A car brand launching a new model wants visibility, not immediate website traffic. Visibility is the goal, not clicks. Consideration goals. Consideration sits in the middle of the funnel. Here, the goal is engagement. We want users to click, watch videos, interact with the brand. Optimization focuses on user interaction, not just visibility. Typical KPIs: click-through rate, engagement rate, video completion rate. For example, an education platform promoting a new course wants users to explore, not instantly buy. Conversion goals. Conversion campaigns are performance-driven. The goal is clear: leads, sales, app installs. Typical KPIs: CPA, ROAS, conversion rate. Here, data accuracy is extremely important. Optimization focuses on high-intent users, strong signals, clean tracking. Conversion optimization without clean tracking is a failure. No tracking, no trust. KPIs, the measurement system. Now let's talk about KPIs. KPIs is key performance indicators. Tell us whether optimization is working and whether we're moving in the right direction. Goals define what success is. KPIs define how success is measured. One goal should have one primary KPI. Everything else is a supporting metric. Examples: CPM for awareness, click-through rate for engagement, CPA for conversions. Wrong KPI leads to wrong optimization decisions. What you measure is what you optimize.